It's going to lean down a little bit more. Oh, yes. That's what you want to hear. Hello, welcome back to my workshop, and I've got another Spectrum to look at today. This one is a Plus2A. I think it's a Plus2A. It's a Plus2B. It says just here. Can I catch that in the reflection? Yeah, Plus2B. So the thing with fixing vintage retro tech is that you tend to fix the same things all of the time, and that's because it's usually the same things that are going wrong all of the time. So it'll be mostly Commodore 64s and 48K ZX Spectrums. I'd love to fix some Atari 8-bits or well, just about anything else really, but they tend, like Amstrads, they tend to not go wrong very much because they're built really well. Sinclair were really penny pinching when they made the 48K ZX Spectrum. It really wasn't designed to last for more than 40 years. So the fact that any of them are still working right out of the box, if they were in a box, is quite incredible really. But things like Amstrads and Ataris, they were built like tanks and they just don't go wrong. So it's really nice. I know this is a Spectrum, but this is an Amstrad Spectrum. It says Sinclair there, but you can see on the motherboard inside it's an Amstrad. And this one is faulty. Now what drew me straight to this one, Paul has written his usual blue tape note in here for me to give me a clue. Lovely condition, but flashy colours, and tape looks okay. So, oh, he says the tape looks okay, but it doesn't actually eject. Okay. I'm not sure what's going on there, but the eject button is not working at all. That doesn't even feel like that's connected to anything, but yeah, we'll have to have a look at that. But at the end, first of all, the first thing to do is to plug it in and switch it on. Because usually it's something quite simple like on an Amstrad it would be a dirty power switch. Everything's ready, so there we go. And that's what we get, flashy, what did he say? Flashy colours. All right, I've got my diagnostic cart here. Let's put that in. I've taken the power plug out. Now, unfortunately, the power brick on a Plus2 Spectrum doesn't have a power switch. So I either have to switch this on and off at the wall or just plug it in and unplug it from here, which is what I'm going to do, or unplug it at the wall. It's not ideal. So the diagnostics is running, which is good, means the CPU is good. Probably the ROM's okay. And we got a RAM failure, which is really good. Now, I believe that there are 2 RAM chips in these, which are 64K each, and it will just be one of those that's broken. So let's pull it apart and have a look inside. Oh, did you hear that crack? That's never been opened. That kind of crack where the plastic, when these were driven in at the factory, these screws probably melted slightly. It's going to lean down a little bit more. Oh, yes. That's what you want to hear. So the end of the screw would have got hot, and you can see there is some plastic on the end of the threads, and that would have just melted. It would have just melted and then set, and like glue. But once that's cracked the first time, you'll never hear that again. That one never comes out. Oh, crack. It really is in immaculate condition, this machine. It's perfect. I am quite impressed. Still got one screw that's holding on down in this corner. There we go. 5, there should be 6. What am I missing? Oh yeah. Oh, and the final crack. So no big chunky heatsink in this one with a 7502, 7805 regulator sitting on the side. Where did I get 7502 from? I'm thinking of 6502 processors. Let's have a quick look at this. Well, the tape deck is ejecting now. Well, that's odd. I was not doing that a minute ago. I wonder if it took a knock in postage and this just got jammed in. Nope, that's good. Decent belt on there as well. Everything looks well lubricated and very, very clean. I keep seeing these thumbprints on the back of Sinclair keyboards. Anyway. Oh, nice. So we've got 4 chips and they're all in sockets. And 2 of them, the letterings come off. I wonder if this is heating up. Oh, sorry, the RAM chips are here and here. So I'm going to just plug it in and see if anything heats up. Yeah, look, that one there is heating up slightly. Slightly more than the others. If I show you on this camera, so it's difficult to see, but these 2 have got the lettering still on them, and these 2, it looks like it's worn off. I wonder if these have just got overly hot. They're not particularly hot. Right, so the simple thing is, pop those out and put them in a RAM tester. Yeah, so this one won't work because this one will take 4116 chips and 4164s or 4264s. So you've got your Spectrum in both of these, or your Commodore 64 in here. Most of your Commodore 64s. I do have this one, which I'm pretty sure is compatible with this type of chip, and this will be a 4464 or something. 41464. So each of these, it must be 32K. So this is the one that was getting hottest. And get it in the right way around. Yeah, immediately red. Straight away. Let's try the other one. And this one's testing. That'll take a second. I'm just going to have a look for some chips. That one's good. I will test the other ones as well. But first thing I need to do is find a suitable chip to put in there. It's not something I keep a lot of stock of because I don't see them very much, but I've probably got something I could just borrow one out of for now. Right, I just I dug a chip out of a Plus2B. So let's straighten the legs a bit. Let's give this a go. Video. And power. You ready? Hey! Wow. Very easy fix. So nice when everything's in sockets. It's picking up as a Plus2A. I don't know if it can tell the difference. The ROMs must be the same on the Plus2A and the Plus2B. You can see on the thermal camera nothing's getting hot down here now, although that chip's getting quite toasty. That's the TEA 2000 again. And it's passed all its tests. Excellent. Right, so I just need to test the tape deck. And then this one's in the repaired pile. I am going to have to order some chips for this, or eventually, because I don't have any of those spare. So that's a small problem to face later on. Right, let's get the tape deck attached and the keyboard. I can remember when we had Jet Set Willy back in the day, the original, just like this one. And the copy protection card, painstakingly writing down blue, magenta, green for A0, making our own graph with B, M, M, G, B, M, G, B, G, M, R, B, R, R, M, B. Just to get around the copy protection so that we could make our own backups. Because that's what they were. They were backups. There was one master copy and lots of backups. So we've got position D7, and D7 is, looks like magenta, red, green, green. So 3, 2, 4, 4. 3, 2, 4, 4. Green, green. Enter. Yeah, we're in. Let's jump. I'm playing this on a tiny screen. Excuses at the ready. No, can't do that. Oh no, that's not going to work. No, that's not going to work either. How are you supposed to get over that? Oh, like that. Oh no, no. Oh. Should we go down the... No, maybe not. Oh, damn it. I wonder if this is the version with the bug. Can you go up there? Oh, I don't want to go up there. So that arrow that just went across the screen then is part of the bug. Yeah, so that arrow that went across the screen at the top then is, it apparently just keeps going through the game, and you'll see it later on in a random level. I don't know, well, not a random level, but one of the later levels, where you'll see that arrow just appear again and it will just kill you. Anyway, this is fixed, and I don't need to do anything else to it because the tape deck works. It's in immaculate condition. It's probably the cleanest one I've ever seen. It's almost brand new. There's a little bit of muckiness there, but I'm sure that'll wash off. Yep, we're done. So that was a nice short one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.